Hi, new day, new record, Vermont edition, fragrance mist, part 1. What I have here are the two variances of one vanilla sugar of Bath and Body Works. One vanilla sugar is classic and most popular among the Bath and Body Works. When you hear one vanilla sugar, you will definitely think that amoy vanilla lang siya. But apparently, in this variant na may flower, it's a combination of flowers and sandalwood. This variance ng one vanilla sugar is very close to bare vanilla ng Victoria's Secrets. Kaya, pag hindi available si one vanilla sugar sa inventory ko, I always recommend bare vanilla as an alternative. What are the fragrance notes of this one vanilla sugar? Sabi dito, it contains vanilla, white orchid, sparkling sugar, fresh jasmine, creamy sandalwood. So, if you want a variant ng one vanilla sugar na may combination of flowers like orchid, go get this. But here's the thing guys, hindi ganun ka-prominent yung amoy ng jasmine and orchids. Sobrang mild lang nila. And because of sandalwood, mas naging balanse yung amoy ng vanilla and sugar. Yung trail na iniiwan nito pag dumadaan ka, i-rate ito ng 7.5. And ang GVT level nito, i-rate ko siya ng 4 hours, but it is always depend pa rin sa body chemistry mo and sa weather condition. So let's discuss naman yung original variants ng one vanilla sugar. It doesn't contain any flower notes. Ang meron lang dito is vanilla, sparkling sugar, creamy sandalwood. So again, if you love the in the stars of Bath and Body Works, you will definitely love this too. Trail na iniiwan nito o yung dating pag dumaan ka, i-rate ko siya ng 7 out of 10. Longevity nito, 4 hours pag in-spray sa damit, meron pa siya. But then again, it is always depend on your body chemistry and weather condition.